Three dots, three dashes, three dots. This simple pattern has saved more lives than any single word ever spoken. In just 90 seconds, you're going to learn to read Morse code, a skill most people believe takes weeks to master. Stick around. This will change how you hear the world. Signals are everywhere. Emergency beacons, aviation radios. Even your phone's vibration patterns use encoding. Yet most people couldn't decode the simplest three-letter message. Let's fix that. 1832. A painter named Samuel Morse was working far from home. While he was away, his wife fell ill and died. By the time the letter reached him, she was already buried. He never got to say goodbye. That heartbreak lit a fire in him. He thought, no message should ever arrive too late. So he spent years building a system to send words across wires in an instant. That system became Morse code. Here's the beautiful secret of Morse code. It uses only two symbols, a short signal called a dit, and a long signal called a da. Every letter, every number, every message in Morse is built from just these two building blocks. The most common letters are the shortest. E, the most used letter in English, is just one dit. T is one da. A is dit da. I is dit dit. Simple, memorable patterns. Now let's decode the most famous signal in history, SOS. S is three dits. O is three das. S again, three dits. Dit, dit, dit. Da da da. Dit, dit, dit. You just read Morse code. Let's lock it in. Morse code equals two symbols, short and long. Common letters are short patterns. SOS is three dits, three das, three dits, two symbols, infinite messages. Ready to decode more? Head to morsecodelab.com and start practicing with our interactive tools. You're closer to fluency than you think.